You're listening to the Best Morning Routine Ever podcast, the show that proves no one stumbles upon success ever. With your host, Lunide. Every Mondays and Thursdays, we deliver cold hard evidence behind the power of a robust morning routine. Get ready to be transformed by the renewal of your mind.
Hello, morning enthusiasts. Welcome to the Best Morning Routine Ever podcast. I am your host, Lunide Louis. Today, I am honored to come on here because I want to talk to you about the kind of week you would like to have and how you are in control of that. So we are doing these short mini episodes, 3 to 5 minutes long, and they're really ready to equip you to get up, dress up, and show up in your life every single day because life happens, right? The daily grinding of life sometimes keep us away from our goals, our habits. So things come up, and so we got to deal with them. And so that's what these short podcast episodes are devoted to actually talk about the things that show up in life, that happens in life. And I know we have been getting amazing guests coming on here talking about habits and morning routines and building businesses and how they stay disciplined. It's amazing, amazing, amazing. And I want you to have the same success. To make your morning routines be able to contribute to your success, your daily success, just like the successful entrepreneurs, the amazing entrepreneurs that come on the show. So today we're going to talk about setting up your intention and deciding what kind of week you want to have. So let me ask you, what kind of week would you like to have, morning enthusiast? If you could choose anything, you would probably ask for a week that is peaceful, carefree, and one that gives you a sense of security. You could have that, or you could have a week filled with stress, anxiety, and worry. The choice is actually yours. So if you can choose, then choose the former. It all begins with your own expectations and the mindset and outlook you decide to have. If you decide that your week will be peaceful, carefree, and filled with a feeling of security, that's what you will be geared towards. The choice is yours. You make that decision, and you get to make that decision every week, but you also get to make that decision every day. You decide when you open your eyes every morning what kind of day you want to have. I hope it's peaceful, carefree, and filled with security and peace of mind. Because if you set that intention in the morning, you decide that's what you want to do. That's the kind of day you want to have. That's what you will start to work towards. That's what your brain will kind of gear towards finding. It's almost like gratitude, right? When you wake up and you're thankful, your brain starts looking for other things you can be thankful for. So it's really a decision that you make every day by deciding what kind of day am I going to have? Or what kind of hour am I going to have? How am I going to utilize this hour effectively? And how am I going to use this week effectively? What kind of week do I want to have? What kind of month do I want to have? What kind of year do I want to have? What kind of decade do I want to experience? How well do I want to experience and be happy in the next 10 years? Like, that is totally up to you. And that's the power that you hold. That's the power of setting intentions. That's the power that you hold. Morning enthusiasts, it's been a pleasure. I am thrilled. I am excited to go on this journey with you. I hope this has been insightful in helping you navigate your week, your day, your hour to make better decisions with intentions. This is my purpose. My mission in life is to inspire people to do what inspires them. And I do it by coming on here and having these short powwows with you. And I hope you found this super valuable. And if you did, tell a friend about it, get somebody on here, subscribe, like and follow, and continue to show up and tune in and listen up. And also find us on IG and YouTube. We have this amazing content that comes out of there, videos. We can visualize this stuff for you, y'all. So tune in, follow us, subscribe. And as always, I love you, and I will see you at the top of your best morning routine ever. Stay blessed. Introducing Smart Eye Mirror. Smart Eye Mirror is a customized touch screen mirror designed just for you, customized to you as you get ready in the morning to enhance your productivity and stay organized. The following are just a few examples of how you can customize your screen. Here you see we have the weather, the forecast, and again our digital album, and we have the time, affirmations. So it's pretty phenomenal. We have a YouTube video playing right in the background for like study focus music, but you can play any music video from YouTube. On here is the calendar view. It is designed for early adopters and innovators only. Not just a smart mirror, it's a smart lifestyle. Go check it out at bestmorningroutineever.com and go into the dress up tab, and there you'll see all things smart eye mirror to give you more information, and I will be excited and elated to customize it to you and your liking and your lifestyle.
All right, morning enthusiasts, that's it for today's show. Thank you for tuning in. If you love the Best Morning Routine Ever podcast, we'd love to hear from you. So go ahead and subscribe, rate, and give a review on iTunes or Google Play. While you're at it, tell a friend about the show. Be sure to visit bestmorningroutineever.com and our Facebook group to join the conversation, access the show notes, and discover our fantastic free bonus content. Until next time,